All right, ready? What are we doing?
We're cooking some cookie cups.
What's a cookie cup?
It's a cup that's made out of cookies, and you can eat the cup.
And what do you put in the cup?
Milk.
What if you don't like milk?
Put water in it. Anything.
Water? I don't think that would taste very good.
You know.
Could you put?
Oreos. Oreos. Or ice cream and sprinkles.
Oh, could you put frosting in it?
Oreos.
But you don't like Oreos.
I know what you could. I know what we can do. Ice cream, and we could put Oreos on it.
Oh gosh, that's a good idea.
That is
All right, so we have all of our ingredients here.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right, we got the directions. All right.
Back in the shell.
First, you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Did that?
You did?
Did you?
I did. Check.
Check.
All right. In a large bowl,
This one.
okay, combine flour.
Which one's that?
You tell me.
That one?
No.
Big one. That one.
No.
That
I
one.
think Lucas has it.
Big one.
All right, who's put the flour in?
Curtis. No, Lucas, because he guessed.
All right, let's not fight over it, okay? Somebody do it.
How about we just do half of it? Do that. Fair enough.
All right, what's next? Let's see, combine flour, brown sugar.
That's this.
Okay.
Carter, you can do the whole thing. Okay, thank you.
Granulated sugar.
Can I do it? That one.
Yep.
Ooh, you can do half. You can.
Why don't you let him do it? You do the left.
Yeah.
Great.
I'll do this.
Baking powder.
That is that one or that one? This one.
Yes, sir.
You can do Carter. I did the last one. Wait, I want to do the chocolate.
How about you get all of it in? And then how about salt?
That one. I'll do it. Yeah. I hope the chocolate.
Can Mom grab a spoon, wooden spoon, and a whisk?
Thank you.
Go ahead. Nope, not in here, in there.
How about you cracking and I do the yolk part? Oh, there.
Get all the egg in there and not the shell, please. Okay. Okay. Can you stir the egg? Beat the egg with the whisk.
This?
Add one more thing. Yes. What is that?
This?
Yes.
Cinnamon.
Okay.
Which one? Actually,
Vanilla. Put it in that one.
I'll do some. Yeah. Oh, you look good. I'll see. You should do the rest of it. I kind of like the rest. Yeah, don't move it around. Just leave it. I want to see. Look at it. Yeah, it's kind of like a beach.
Look how much is still in there. Like I've told you 3 times. You gotta get it all in. It's all meshed.
Very nice. It looks like
Carter,
a lake.
now we gotta start mixing. Yeah. Yeah. Mixing. Mixing. Wee! Wee!
I want to see what it looks like.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip island.
Chocolate chip. in the oven.
Yep.
We let it cool.
Yeah.
There's little milk in there.